Welcome to RiseWindows. In this video, I will be showing you to download and use Ultraviewer Remote Desktop for Windows 11. Ultraviewer is a remote desktop application. With this application, you can access other computers and give access to your computer to others. It helps resolve a distant person's problems by taking his Windows 11 computer remotely. Ultraviewer works on all versions of Windows. It is free software to use. This application requires internet connectivity to work. This software takes a little space on your Windows 11 PC. Follow the next shown steps to download Ultraviewer on Windows 11. Step 1. Go to the Ultraviewer official website. Step 2. Click on Download button to start downloading. Step 3. This will install Ultraviewer exe. Step 4. After complete downloading, open exe to run the software for installation. Step 5. Now, your application is ready to use. How to use Ultraviewer on Windows 11. Open the Ultraviewer application on your Windows 11 PC. It will look like the above image. To use it, you need access to your ID and password. Control a remote computer while taking access. You should have a partner ID and password when accessing someone else's computer. Insert these details into your Ultraviewer application and click on Connect to Partner. After connecting, you will receive a message that your device has access. Allow remote control while giving access. When you give access to someone else, you should provide your device partner ID and password. Your partner enters details into his Ultraviewer and press Connect to Partner. Your device will connect to his. After clicking, you will receive a message that your device connects to your partner's computer. Cons and pros of Ultraviewer. Cons. It is easy to use software. It provides easy access to work remotely. This software makes things easy to follow. Pros. If accessed by the wrong person, they might steal your data. People can access your account's details if given access to bad guys. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Press bell icon to get latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Keep watching, learning, and growing. Thanks for watching.